Yes guys, in today's video the plan is to fit this auto headlight switch along with its sensor and replace this current one. Will it be as easy as it looks? Let's find out.
Two hours later.
Yes guys, so finally managed to get out with great difficulty, as you saw. That was a mission and got quite a few scratches here and there, but yeah, it's finally out. So that goes into there, and then
we'll keep it fully in case there's an issue and we've got to take it back out and we'll go through that then. Yeah.
so yeah, it seems to be working. So what we can do is cover up the sensor and see if the lights turn on. See the reflection. Yeah, so the sensor's covered with my hand. Take it out and back in the light. Will it turn off? Yep, seems to be working. So let's cover it up again, see if the lights turn on. Will it turn on? Nope, it has not turned on. Out in the open, so if you hide it here, for example, so that means my skin was transparent and it was letting light through. That's why it didn't work the first time. So if you put it like fully in the dark there and the lights turn on, will it turn off? Yeah, let's try it one more time. Yeah, it works. Now you can push that back in. So yes guys, that switch is clipped in with a lot of scratches now around the side because it was not easy to take the other one out. Wires going through the back, through this little part behind the dash, going through the windows. So I've put the sensor right there just above the black windscreen mark thing. So yeah, let's test it out again. The ignition's on, and if you cover that up, yeah, that's with my hand above the sensor. Remove the hand, will it turn off? Maybe not. Oh, it did. So yeah, I mean, for £15–20 or whatever price it was to put auto headlights in, I mean, can't go wrong, innit? Apart from scratching your dashboard, but that's about it.